Folding tests for foldable phones have been a thing ever since Samsung released the original Galaxy Fold in 2019. But while some independent testers and content creators devise their own folding machines, others are doing things differently. Mrkeybrd went above and beyond and humanized the testing process by having actual people perform thousands and hundreds of thousands of folds by hand in front of a camera. Such a test is happening even right now. Mrkeybrd's team members are taking turns folding and unfolding the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra by hand on a YouTube live stream. It looks like a daunting task for which not many would volunteer, but it's all in the name of science. And this method ensures that the foldable phones and their hinges don't suffer unnecessary additional stress. If you are lucky enough, you can check the live stream by going through the link in the description. Although the folding-unfolding test was not over at the time of making video, the first failure had already happened. And it was the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra that dropped the ball first. Specifically, the Razr 40 Ultra's hinge experienced its first failure around the 40,000 fold-unfold mark in the live stream. It wasn't a critical failure and the phone still worked, but the integrity of the hinge dropped to where the phone no longer folded completely shut. Meanwhile, at the same 40,000 mark and counting, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 experienced no such issues. At the time of making videos, Flip 5 continues to work without any issues after 152,000 folds. The test continues only to see how long the Flip 5 can last, but it already beat the Razr 40 Ultra by a large margin. It is also likely to last a very long time, since the Galaxy Z Flip 3 had shown signs of fatigue after no less than 353,000 successive folds. It will be interesting to see how the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will behave by the end of the live stream. If you are curious to buy any of these foldables, then go and check out the ultimate folding test on their channel. And don't forget to share your opinion below in the comments. See you in the next one. Peace out.